Hi everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel, y'all. This is Ron, your host from Ron's World. Yes, the CEO of Ron's World, and welcome back. Here I am here with an unboxing of SMUG office chair, model number C3718BK. BK is black. They do comes in different colors. I will be putting their website as well as the affiliation link in the description below. I caught this chair on sale, and it's on sale right now on Amazon, going for $35. You get 12% off. The original retail value is $38.99. $38.99. Now, before I unbox this here, a lot of content creators has been doing unboxing of office chairs and gaming chairs. Now, y'all keep in mind, if you cannot buy the product, I would not unbox it or show you on my channel. A lot of these office chairs being sent out to content creators are costing no more than $12.99 to $19.99. $12.99 is $1,299, which is about $1,300, and $19.99 is $1,999, which is about $2,000. I had never bought a chair that much. I have no reasons in buying a chair that much. This is one reason why I want to work with manufacturers that works with the consumers on a frugal, friendly level. I'm not going to sit down here and unbox something that is sent out to me as a gift, because we all know that's their paycheck. If the manufacturer send you out the items, that's your paycheck right there. Do the video, and then we're going to take your video and use it for our needs. Okay. Now, just like I said, I will not unbox anything that consumers cannot buy, because I look at it on the consumer level. Why? Because I'm a consumer myself, and I like to work with manufacturers that wants to go ahead on and send out products that consumers could buy themselves. Now, y'all keep in mind, I brought this in for my grandson. Y'all see his desk back there. He finally loves his desk. He can do his schoolwork on it and play his video games. And he was sitting in a folding chair that I had laying around for this presentation table right here, as you see in front of me. So I say, Caleb, I got you, and here you go. Now, with this chair here, the weight of the box is heavy. That means it is good quality. If the box is light, it is poor quality material. And if it is very light, it's not heavy, don't buy it. I prefer for you to buy boxes that are heavy, that you got to drag out the store, or you need a cart or a rolly cart to push it to your car. This is heavy, and I like it. And when the UPS driver brought it up, he had it on his little dolly, because he's not going to go ahead and break his back with that. The total weight of this container is almost about 28 pounds. Almost close to 30 pounds. So yes, this is a good office chair. It has a lumbar support. It has decent armrest. So yes, for my grandson, who is 5 years old, and he's going to be working back there until we get him a room for him. I'm in the process of looking for a house again. So y'all wish me luck on that, yeah. With this office chair, he can go ahead and enjoy many years sitting into it and no issues. Now let's get into the unboxing of this product. I'm happy to have it. Just like I said, I'll be putting all the affiliated links in the description below, because I want you to go ahead and buy the chair just like I brought it. Y'all keep in mind, this is not a giveaway or anything like that. I mostly purchase all the stuff that I use, and if you all know them on a budget like me, and you know, have good common sense in buying stuff, you don't have to go ahead on and spend an arm and a leg and try to convince others to spend an arm and a leg as well too. What's in the box? You get your armrest. Alright, these are coasters and tools. Part of the hydraulic pump in it. Now with these coasters here, these are wears down over time and years. The best thing to do, I'll be putting down the link in the description below, is to buy you some rollerblade office wheels. And you cannot go wrong with that. Y'all excuse that, my neighbors are arguing, so you're gonna hear that in the background as well too. The other armrest, the chairlift support, the chair, nice good quality sturdy plastic. Take it out. Got the little mesh, so you can go ahead and wipe it down with a nice good towel and go ahead and clean that as well too. Just like I said, if y'all hear any noise in the background, please just excuse that. My neighbors are arguing right now, so, and I don't like that myself neither. So, but I hope they get whatever issues they're going through. I hope they get through it, and everything will be all right with it. All right with it. Alrighty. The seat. Oh, and she is comfy. Nice, good comfy seat. Good comfy seat. I like this a lot because this is how my office chair seat was when I had bought it. Nice, good, comfy, and you can't go wrong with that. Look at that, nice, good cushion. Great cushion. Yes, good cushion support. If you want to go ahead and put like a cover on top of it to keep it from getting dirty, you can do that to yourself as well. And these are the leg supports of that, and the base to the leg support. So that's everything out the. Oh, almost forgot one more thing. The hardware, your screws. Alrighty, that's everything unboxed out this here box here. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be installing it. So y'all can go ahead on and get a good feel of the chair. The chair is made out of good quality for retail value of $38.99 after taxes and everything. If you buy it like that, after taxes and everything, you're looking at about like a good $41 or $42 flat and some change. I got this on sale for $35 after taxes and everything. It came up to $38 and some change to $39 and some change. So it's a little bit under $40 because they got on sale right now for 12% off. And yes, I did purchase this off Amazon. And I'll be putting the affiliate links in the description below if y'all are interested in buying a nice quality office chair, because just like I said, I don't sit in my chair almost all day. And if I do recommend stuff that I use for home, I recommend it for everybody. If you find good quality into it, fine. If you don't, I understand, it's not a problem, because about 80% of everybody on YouTube gets free stuff from manufacturers. I don't. I had to purchase my stuff, so that's a good quality of that there to keep the business from going strong, so people won't be losing their jobs. Okay, enough saying with that. I am going to be installing her now, getting her set up, so we're going to get ready for the video. So give me about 30-40 minutes, and then we're going to get into it. Alright everybody, I forgot one more thing before I close out and get ready for the installation. Here are your instructions. If you do not know what you're doing, your instruction manual is here. I'll be using this here to go ahead and install it because I'm good with my hands. So if you don't know what you're doing, your instruction manual right here. If you're not good at putting things together, you can always have your friend do it, or your husband, or if your wife is you know what I mean, tool friendly, that know her way around tools, then she could go ahead and do it herself. Just keep in mind your instructions are right here. Just tells you all the parts that comes with it. Make sure you check everything, and then you'll be all right. So now I'm gonna go ahead on and get on with the installing the C3718 office chair by SMUG, SMUG, and I can't wait to get started with this baby. Alright everybody, she's done. The SMUG office chair is comfortable. Yes, it is very comfortable, and I cannot tell you how good this chair feels. Now, just like I said, if you like to spend more money, that's up to you. But this SMUG office chair is good. It has a great lumbar support there. It's very comfortable, so I ain't got to worry about nothing. The main thing I had the issue with was the coasters. I thought there wasn't going to be decent coasters. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then a good spin around. Good spin around. So yes, this chair will suit. It suits my needs if I need to buy another office chair. But with my office chair I had since 2010, and it's to 2024, so that's 14 years, 1 decade and 4 years with that chair. I did have to replace the mechanism over the years. I added some coasters to it because the coasters later on down the line will be going out soon, so I will be replacing that later on down the line. The armrest is pretty sturdy, it's comfortable. If I want to add a neck rest for my grandson, I could buy a neck rest so he can rest his neck on it. I mean, just simple stuff. Instead of spending $800 to $1,999 for an office chair. But this chair works. It goes up, it goes down to the knees. Just like I said, now he could go ahead on and enjoy doing his work on his computer or playing his little Minecraft, whatever he likes to do on the weekend, or his Roblox, whatever he likes. He could go ahead on and do that without no issue. He been asking me, Papa, when the chair came in last week, Papa, we ain't gonna put the chair up because the chair came in on February 9th. Yes, the chair came a little early. It's supposed to be here today, but the chair came a little early, which I was happy. He said, Papa, we ain't gonna put my chair up. He ain't gotta ask me no more because it's already put up. It's gonna be sitting back there for him. It is going to be ready for him so he can just sit down instead of getting in a folding chair. I had this way to sit down. Now he can sit down in comfort. And yes, this lumbar support is comfort, and I love it. They do make black, blue, and gray or green. I will be putting each affiliated link colors in the description below. This chair it's on sale right now for $35. It is 12% off. The regular retail price of this chair is $38.99. So with shipping and handling, it comes out a little bit like roughly $43.44. Great chair. If I ain't careful, I might take this chair at my job and use this here and get out that raggedy office chair that the company I work for. It's cheap to spend money. They make a lot of money. And they cheap to buy stuff for their employees to use. But overall, this SMUG office chair is great. And I will recommend people who wants a great office chair in their office so you can sit down for 3 to 4 hours, whether you're doing budget reports, you're doing any office clerical needs for your business, if you're running a coffee shop, if you're running a bakery shop, etc. You need to keep tabs of your payroll as well as your new employees coming in. This chair is comfort, it's cozy. You know, y'all keep in mind we don't sit down in our office chairs long, but if you are a film editor and you're looking for something more casual instead of spending the money, or if you want to buy something later on down the line as your money build up, that's up to you. But I will recommend the SMUG office chair for basic home use as well as office clerical use as well. If you got a small office in your house, or you got a small office in your office space, this works. And for gamers, if you want to use it, that's up to you. If you are using a theme setup, then this chair is not for a gamer who's building their system on a theme. If you're a regular basic person like me, you know, that's all my grandson who sit down and play, who play their games, or they sit down and do office clerical, then this chair will work by SMUG. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.